Hello traders, this is Petko Alexandrov and today I will share with you my 5 rules that have kept me profitable on the Forex market for many years. I will give you some tips on how to improve not just your trading, but your mindset as a trader too. This will not be one of those videos where traders show off with their cars and then try to convince you that you can drive the same car. These guys are usually the scammers. This video is simply about what I do daily and how I stay disciplined while trading. Just in case you're curious now, I drive a 14-year-old BMW and I really love this car. I hope I won't get a lot of dislikes because I drive a BMW. Now I will share the rules that I have followed over the last 5 years to achieve great results and currently have a great community of over 25,000 students from my online courses. Rule number 1: learn to trade. The most common mistake that new traders make is to start trading on the market without having any knowledge, without having done any online course, or even without watching a free video from YouTube. Guess what happens? Over 95% of these people lose all of their money and over 70% of them empty their accounts in the first month. Then, inevitably, they start blaming the market, the price, the news, but the fault lays squarely with them. They didn't bother to get educated. So if you want to be in the 5%, those who actually make money, you need to learn. And I'm not talking about just one course or one method, but to consistently improve yourself as a trader. How do I do that? Every day I commit to learning something new, something I don't currently know and something that I can use to improve my trading. My father is a neurosurgeon with almost 40 years of experience, and even after 40 years, before every surgery, he reads a lot, he prepares for it. It is the same thing with trading and really with everything in life. If you want to be good at something, you need to learn and continue learning to become an expert in any field. Learn something new every day, a new indicator, a new strategy from YouTube, take another online course, look for a better broker than the one you use right now. If you do that, you will learn 365 new things every year, and in 3 years you will know 1,000 new things. Rule number 2: be disciplined. Whether you will be in an office, have a home office, or you meet up casually to trade with friends, you need to be very disciplined in what you're doing. How do I achieve that for myself? Since I was in high school, I have trained martial arts, and today I'm black belt and I have my own group. The discipline I learned through martial arts really helped me with trading. I learned how to respect more experienced traders and how to get the most out of their knowledge. I learned how to get back up after getting knocked down. Similarly, whenever I had a loss on the market, I did my best to make more profits the next day. Rule number 3: learn to think outside of the box. It might sound like a cliche, but stay with me here because this is very important in trading. Many traders are blind to what is out there on the market. They stick to one strategy for years just because someone told them that it is the profitable strategy and they will make money with it. Wrong! Now I'm sure I will get dislikes from some of you that do this. You can't make constant profits using just one strategy. That's why in my courses and live videos I teach my students and viewers that I trade using many different market strategies. Try Forex, cryptocurrency trading, stocks. If you have losses on the stock market, you could at the same time have profits trading cryptos. This is risk diversification. This is how the big guys do it. Find a market that you're comfortable trading in, but don't get stuck in there and become complacent. Keep looking for new opportunities all the time. Try algorithmic trading. It is so easy nowadays with programs like EA Studio and FSB Pro. No programming skills are needed to create many robots for yourself. I hear quite often, I want to make 50 pips a day and that's it. Really? 50 pips a day will make you happy? One of my oldest videos on YouTube shows how I make over 1,000 pips in one day trading with many trading robots in one live trading account. Do not be satisfied with just a little. Always aim for big targets like Denzel Washington says, dream big. How did that work for me? From creating and sharing free videos on YouTube covering my trading, I have built my own trading academy and we already have over 25,000 students in our first 3 years. I have a team of professionals and we are constantly improving the academy by delivering the kind of online education that is difficult to find elsewhere. Have you seen any courses that include 99 new EAs monthly? Number 4. Monotony is a killer. Maybe at the beginning of the video you thought that I would share what my daily routine is, how I do the same thing every day. No, do not do that. If you do the same thing every day, from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, you will get stuck in a comfort zone. You will block your mind and one day, years from now, you will realize that you missed many great opportunities. Working a regular 8-hour job is the worst thing for human progress. And here comes more dislikes. I spent just 2 years in total working for Forex brokers from 9 to 5, but these 2 years were a lesson. They got me motivated and made me realize that I want to change this life, and from then there was no way I was going to continue on this path. Do you know when people stop thinking? On the day they get a salary. They work month to month, knowing they will be paid with nothing to worry about. And if you've already gotten rid of the 9 to 5 monotony, great! This summer we spent over 3 months at the beach and in the mountains with my team. We worked on the beach, I recorded many videos while traveling and I took the time to think. A good partner and friend of mine says, I work most when I stop and think. Rule number 5, share your skills. This is what I found makes me happiest. Sharing my trading strategies, my robots in my courses. I love to record videos and give tips to beginners to help them avoid the mistakes that I have made. I teach martial arts as well, and over the years I figured out that it all makes sense if we give it to the next generation. If you improve something and give your knowledge to others, you get a real sense of satisfaction that someone is interested in learning from you and that you are doing something good and worthwhile. Even if you are not recording videos but just sharing your experience or strategy in a forum, you are still teaching and you bring value to others. These are the 5 rules that are define my day and life as a trader, and in each one of them I find a lot of value and fulfillment. If you found this video useful, please leave it a like. I wish you safe trading, and if you apply any of these rules to your trading experience, I will be truly happy. Maybe I shouldn't have mentioned the BMW, right? It's a lot of people watching will have Mercedes and Audi.